Sundarbans, the lungs of the earth wrapped in green. Hidden in the heart of the earth lies a green wonder, the Sundarbans. It is not just a forest, it is life, it is the future. The world's largest mangrove forest, stretching across 10,000 square kilometers. About 60% of it lies within Bangladesh, where nature and life speak in harmony. Here lives the crowned king of the wild, the Royal Bengal Tiger. Alongside roam the spotted deer, monkeys, crocodiles, dolphins, and over 200 species of birds. The trees of the Sundarbans are a marvel. They thrive in salty water. This is the only forest on Earth where mangroves grow like this. The Sundarbans is a natural shield. Without it, our coastal lands would have long drowned under the wrath of cyclones and tidal surges. This forest sustains the lives of thousands. They collect honey, wood, and fish, all while respecting the rhythm of nature. But now, this forest is under threat. Human greed, pollution, and climate change have become dangers to this lifeline. Yet we are not giving up. Governments, environmental groups, and conscious citizens are standing together to protect the Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is more than just trees. It is our breath, our future. If the forest lives, we live. Let us love and protect this miraculous green world together. Save Sundarbans, save our future. Subscribe, like, comment.